Starting an e-commerce business can be exciting but challenging. Why? Because there's a lot of money in e-commerce. Every month, people are making millions of money in e-commerce. So here are 5 things that you will be needing if you desire to achieve success in e-commerce business this year, especially as a beginner. Number one, you need to understand the 3 phases of e-commerce first for beginners, the 3 key steps. One, product research. If you, as a beginner, do not understand what product research is and how it can help your e-commerce business, I'm sorry to say, but you are most likely to fail from the very start of your journey. So you have to pay attention to everything I'm going to teach you in this video from start to finish. You can jot things down if you like. So product research is very important. You have to understand product research, product sourcing, and product testing. You cannot skip these 3 things. If you skip it, you are going to struggle. In fact, if you skip it, you don't have a business, right? When you see people making millions of money from e-commerce every month, it's because they have done these things. They have gone through this phase. Number one, product research. Research for hot products or winning products, right? Or you can turn the product you have into a winning product. We'll get to that phase. I'll teach you that one. So yes, understand product research. Then after researching product, I've made a series, I've made a couple of videos about product research. I've even reviewed some tools that I use to search for winning products. I think if you go through my channel, you will see the playlist section, the e-commerce playlist. You see those videos, watch them and learn. So next one is product sourcing. After researching and finding a product online, how do you source this product? Where do you find this product? How can you get this product? Who is the supplier? Your supplier, not somebody that is getting from suppliers. When products move from hand to hand to hand, it becomes more expensive. So what you need is a direct link, a supplier, so that it will cut the cost shorter for you. The next one is product testing. You don't just pick up a product and start selling, or you don't just pick up a product that you like and you pay for it and buy. It doesn't work that way. When I started, that was many years ago, right? Many years ago, I imported products from China. I still have some of them in my house. It's like a souvenir now. Most of those products did not sell because I did not test before importing. So if you go and buy product before testing it to find out if there's a demand for it, if there's a market available for it, you will just keep your money tied and you will just fail. And it's frustrating. So pay attention to these ones. Don't miss it. Next one is media buying. You simply put Facebook ads or Instagram advert. So let's say, for instance, you want to sell this product. How do you sell it? It's media buying through advertising. You can outsource it, but as a beginner, it's important that you know how to run advert. In fact, just at the top of your head, think of any person that you know that does e-commerce. The person knows how to do Facebook adverts. They know how to run adverts. Think of anyone. There's no one who has made millions of money from e-commerce that will not know how to set up proper adverts. It is a basic knowledge. It is the foundation of your success. So please make sure you learn. I've made a series of videos about advertising on this channel. You can go to the playlist on the Facebook and Instagram adverts playlist. You're going to see them on this channel. Watch those videos and learn. Okay. So once you know how to run adverts, your success is almost guaranteed. Not very guaranteed, but almost guaranteed. Okay. So we have dealt with the first step, right? Which is what? Product research, sourcing, and testing. Then the next one is media buying, Facebook and Instagram ads, because that's how you get people to see your product, to order for your product, and to pay for your product. Third one is funnel building. You need to know how to create a sales funnel. This will help you make money even when you are sleeping. Right? This is one of the beauties of e-commerce. In fact, it is why this one is important is because it is a skill that you can deploy in other businesses. You can use this skill for both physical business and digital business. So that's why you hear people in the e-commerce and affiliate marketing space always talk of sales funnel and stuff like that. If you don't understand how to funnel your products, you are going to keep working hard all the time instead of automating things. Sales funnel helps make your e-commerce business stay automated. Now, you can actually sell via WhatsApp or via Instagram DM. People are doing it, they're making money. However, it is going to tie you down, it's going to take a lot of your time. But selling via a sales funnel, via a sales page, you are selling one to many. If, for instance, I want to through WhatsApp, I have to be available to chat with people, right? When somebody makes an inquiry, I have to be there to chat, to respond, to answer questions, to do this, to do that. It takes time. I don't have all the time, all that time. I don't have all of that time. I can get people to actually answer those WhatsApps, and I'm paying a lot of people, right? I can cut short those expenses by simply having a sales funnel and then getting people involved to handle the calls and customer inquiries. So instead of chatting one, chat with customer A, customer B, customer C, customers, you just have a sales funnel, a sales page where all the customers A, B, C, D, they just go there, they order. When you are sleeping, order is coming in. As you wake up, you see the mails, order is there. Your customer care is calling to fulfill the orders. Makes the job easier. Like I said, you can sell through WhatsApp or through Instagram, but if you want to really make money on autopilot, learn how to create a simple sales page or sales funnel. Number 4, speed of delivery. Listen, you have done a product research, you have gotten the product, you have sourced, you have tested, it's working, you've gotten the product, you have done adverts, you are receiving orders. Delivery, because all of these things, you have still not gotten the money. You only get the money when you have delivered the product to the customer. So working with reliable delivery agents makes e-commerce more interesting, and it keeps the money coming in. Speed of delivery, because sometimes some customers can be very funny. Somebody might order something in the morning. When you call them in the evening to deliver the next day, they'll give you story. Or when you get there, they can say they traveled, whereas they did not travel. So if a customer, for instance, if a customer places an order on my store, ecom, right now, like let's say for instance, it is 10 a.m. in the morning and I see an order coming, we are calling you immediately. Maybe the order is coming from Port Harcourt. We are calling you immediately. My sales reps, they will call you immediately to confirm the order, to confirm your availability, and we will now call our delivery agent in Port Harcourt to move immediately and deliver that product to the customer. Why? Because speed. Money loves speed. Money loves speed. The money that the person wants to buy that thing, if he steps out of his house, he might see something else, or another emergency can require his attention or demand that funds. So I need to get to that money before someone else or something else gets to the money. Are you following me? You need to get to that money before something else gets to the money before you. Money loves speed. So if you can find a way to get reliable delivery agents to work with, because there are some demons who disguise as delivery agents that will frustrate your life. But I will not get into that yet. Right? So if you get reliable delivery agents across multiple states, it will make your delivery faster and it will make money flow into your account faster. Don't miss this step. If you miss it, problem. Number 5, you have to master offer creation and pricing. Listen, the way we price and sell in e-commerce is not the same way with other businesses. Somebody can buy this thing, for instance, at $10, and the person wants to sell it at $20. The person thinks that he has made $10 profit. That's not profit. You have not made profit, because cost of purchase might be $10, but what is the cost of logistics to go and purchase it? What is the cost of the phone call? Right? What is the cost of moving the items? What is the cost of funnel? The cost of data? The cost of delivery, because you're going to pay delivery agents. Okay? The cost of fuel or electricity that you're using in your office or whatever you're doing. Do you understand? Once you have all these things together, before you now put your selling price, I'm not going to go into pricing. I could have decided to make a video differently to teach you about pricing, because pricing is a whole lot of game. So somebody who is not experienced can get this thing for $10 and sell it for $20. Whereas somebody like me can get this thing for $10 and sell it for as much as $50 or $60. But you don't just sell it without creating an offer around it. It is the offer that you create around it that will improve the value of that product to move from just $10 to $50. So that's the difference between someone like me and someone like you who will get it for $10 and sell for 20, whereas I can get for $10 and sell for 50, 60, or up to 100. Because of offer creation, I create an offer around this product. So I create an offer around this stuff here, right? And it boosts the perceived value of the product. So I can now sell it at a higher price. So if you learn this, you will never be poor. You will never be broke. Okay, you might be broke. Yeah, my bad, my bad, my bad. You might be broke because, I mean, things can come from money, but you never be poor. So if you get this wrong, bear it in mind. You will continue to work hard and get little to no results. You will continue to see us, you toil day and night, and the result is minimal. So please learn how to create offer, grandmaster offer, and then learn how to price structurally so that you don't price yourself out of business by selling cheap. If you do these 5 things correctly as a beginner, I can assure you in 3 months, 90 days, you will start making some good money every month. After 90 days, you start seeing amazing results. Some of you, you will start seeing results earlier. Your first month, I have some of my students who, in their first month, they are seeing results. In their first week, they are seeing results. Many of them are students in universities and stay-at-home moms and stuff like that. Whereas for some, it takes time. So you have to be realistic. So realistically, it might take up to 90 days. This is not a get rich quick something. It's a business, proper business that you do to make money. Thank you for watching, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Please make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Share it because there are people who need to learn these things. Let people come here and learn and, just learn, make some money and have a better life. Leave a comment. If you have any questions, I'll be very happy to answer your questions in the comment section here. So yes, go ahead and ask me a question in the comment section and I will attend to you. And feel free to follow me across social media, Instagram and Twitter. My name is Courage Ngele. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Cheers.